Hi everyone, I'm Melissa, and this week I used Rapid Resizer to make a design for Chalkboard Art, and here's how you can make one too. So start by going to Rapid Resizer. I already have this image of ribbons uploaded, and so I'm going to choose one that I want to crop. So you can find the crop tool in the drop-down menu on the Resize page. So I'm going to choose the ribbon that I'd like to use for the chalkboard art. I'm going to crop it and click Apply Changes. Then it's going to take me to the page that says Save Ink or Turn a Picture into a Drawing. So first I'm going to choose to black and white so that I can make the background white, and that will just make the lines darker, as you can see. And click Apply Changes. Click New Project. So click where it says Draw a Design. I'm going to click the drop-down menu and click where it says Import. The ribbon I just made is already there. I'm going to make a circle by holding down Enter and hitting the circle button, and then I'm going to click where this little hand is, and then I can move the circle around the page. Then I can just drag the ribbon wherever I need it to be. And then I'm going to click on Add Text. So today I'm going to use the phrase Rise and Shine. You can type in a whole phrase and move it, or just do it word by word. I'm going to do it word by word so that I can fit it around the ribbon like I want. And because the ribbon is sloped, I'm going to just do the word and letter by letter so that I can arrange it on the ribbon. I'll add the word shine and place that where I'd like it to be. And my design is done. This takes us to the Resize page. I'm going to set the measurements at 19 inches, which will fit on my blackboard. And it will print across 6 pages. And now we're ready to print. My design printed out across 6 pages, so I cut them off and taped them together to make the stencil. Normally to transfer a design, you put chalk all over the back of the page, but I just found that that gets a lot of chalk onto the chalkboard. Just put chalk on the back of the page where there's ink on the other side. It doesn't have to be exact, it's just easier than covering the whole page. So tape your printout to the chalkboard. Use a low-tack tape so you don't get adhesive onto the chalkboard. If you can print out enough paper so that you can tape it to the frame, that's best. And then trace it with a pen or pencil. If you use a red pen or a colored pen, then you'll be able to see where you've already traced more easily. When you make a mistake or get chalk dust on the chalkboard, you need to use a wet paper towel or a wet fiber cloth or even a magic eraser to remove it. And just be sure to have a dry towel or dry paper towel there to wipe that water away right away, or otherwise as the water dries on its own it still has chalk in it and just leaves more chalk on the board. So the trickiest part of doing chalkboard art is wiping away the chalk without leaving any residue. Even though I didn't add these in the original design, I've just put rays around the circle. I'm also adding stars to the design. If you draw a star like we did when we were kids, the design is already there. It's a lot easier to just fill it in than if you just try to draw the outline of a star. You can also find stars or any symbols in our font section and just add them to your design if you like. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and feel inspired to make some chalk art. Please comment below with any questions you have, and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, and Instagram. Thanks for watching!